This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for May 12, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.1 points or 0.27% to 406.73. Total trade volume was down to 51,291 shares changing hands at a total value of 235 million real or close to $59,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 8.49% or 220 real to 2,810 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which rose 0.56% or 40 real to 7,140 real per share. Other stocks also up were Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ and Cam GSM. Only one stock, Acleda Bank, was down on the other hand. The stock dropped 0.29% or 20 real to 6,900 real per share. Meanwhile, the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, and MJQ Education remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering stayed flat at 2,090 real per share, while JS Land was down 8.63% or 270 real to 2,860 real per share. MJQ Education once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 16,538 shares changing hands at a total value of 33.5 million real or nearly $8,400, roughly 32% of Monday's total trade volume. Acleda Bank recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 13,748 shares changing hands at a total value of 95 million real or about $23,700, approximately 27% of May 12th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD remained stable at 4,003 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 101.49. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose more than $2 in Asian trading on Monday after the US and China said they would ease some of their tariff measures, lifting market sentiment that the world's 2 largest crude users may be moving toward resolving their trade dispute. Brent crude futures climbed $2.11 or 3.3% to $64.14 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures were trading at $63.14 a barrel, up $2.12 or 3.47% from Friday's close. Gold dropped 3% to a more than 1-week low after the U.S. and China said they have agreed to a deal to slash reciprocal tariffs, sending the dollar higher and denting the safe haven metal's appeal. Spot gold was down 3% at $3,224.34 an ounce, its lowest since May 1st. U.S. gold futures slipped 3.5% to $3,228.10. U.S. stock futures jumped early Monday after the U.S. and China agreed to temporarily slash tariffs following negotiations over the weekend in Switzerland. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Nasdaq futures pointed to a 3.37% gain, with the S&P 500 futures higher by 2.49% and Dow up by 808 points or 1.95%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for May 12th.